Joining us now to talk more is Florida's Attorney General James Uthmeier. Thank you so much for joining us. Appreciate it.
Happy to be here.
So what is it that is going to happen after these 14 days are up, when the 14-day freeze is over?
Well, I can tell you what's happening right now. We're continuing to get the job done. This temporary restraining order looks at forward construction. Thankfully, Alligator Alcatraz is already largely constructed, can already house thousands of detainees. Deportation flights are ongoing. So we're going to continue to help the Trump administration to deliver on their agenda and detain and deport as many criminal illegal aliens as possible. In 2 weeks, we'll see what the judge wants to do. I think she's already kind of set her plans forward. We disagree with the lawsuit. It's a sham lawsuit. There's no part of Alligator Alcatraz that comes close to the Everglades. But if she rules against us, we will plan to appeal.
You know, when this video came out of Florida and the Department of Homeland Security about Alligator Alcatraz, there was a big uproar, not just over environmental concerns, but over humanitarian concerns and what would conditions be like. What would you say to critics who are concerned that it's not good enough there?
What I would say is detainees are getting the resources they need. It's an air-conditioned facility. It certainly doesn't have to be. Most jails in Florida are not. Medical treatment is on site. They have access to attorneys. The staff that work there eat the same food as the detainees. So I think people have created a hysteria. You have AOC and the Communist Caucus crying in defense of a lot of these criminal aliens. But look at who's in there. Many of these people are charged with homicide, with sexual abuse of kids, with human trafficking. These are terrible people that need to be out of this country, and if only the press and the Democrats would focus as much on the victims that have suffered serious abuse at the hands of these criminal aliens. So we are going to continue to enforce rule of law. We are going to continue to detain, deport, and get these people back where they came from.
All right. So Alligator Alcatraz, for viewers who are not totally familiar with all of it, the name is because it's happening in the Everglades, right? And there's alligators and there's snakes, and that's what's waiting for you if you try to escape, kind of thing. What environmental concerns are being put forth, and what is the facility doing, and DHS doing, and Florida officials doing to make sure that you are looking after the environment?
Well, I'll tell you this, we were looking at some precautionary construction work to ensure we don't get anywhere near the Everglades and cause environmental concerns, and those projects were put on halt by the judge's order, as broad as it is. But at the end of the day, this is an old airport facility built in the middle of the Everglades. It's 30 square miles, so the light infrastructure that's there is nowhere near the actual swamp. And the lawsuit that's raised says that federal NEPA regulations, this is the National Environmental Policy Act, that they're supposed to be implemented, but this is state land and a state facility. None of our other state jails have to go through this, and Alligator Alcatraz should not either. So it's a meritless case, and we expect it to be kicked as such on appeal.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.